Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing the IPSY Glam Bag and something new this month. So let's just jump into this one first. Already taken it out of the bag. That way you don't have to worry about the label and stuff like that. But this month it says sealed with a kiss. Look at this cute cheesy little stamp up here, okay? It says IPSY on it, but okay, we're gonna let them have it. So, and then the back of it has a little set of gold lips, okay? Now, when we open it up, let's see if they give us a description card in the plain IPSY. And the answer is yes. They should pass this along because they certainly don't do this in the Glam Bag Plus. But it says, signed, sealed, delivered. These fine glam products are all yours. All right, now we're going to dig in and see what's here. The first item we have is the Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. Okay, it says whether it's because of late nights, early mornings, or just life, dark circles happen. This lightweight under eye cream is packed with hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture, plus chamomile, cucumber, and aloe vera to majorly hydrate while brightening skin and relieving puffiness. Now this is a deluxe sample size and the manufacturer suggested retail price of the full size would be $30. But you know, eye creams are usually small anyway. And even a size like this, it would take us a while to get through. So let's just, now this is one thing I'm not a fan of when it comes to the deluxe samples. They do not have safety seals, okay? But I'm just saying, well, nowadays you really can't be too careful, but it is what it is. So, and if you remember, I told you whenever you're applying a eye cream, you tap with your ring finger under your eye. Do not rub, okay? It has a very light smell to it, absorbs very, very quickly. Very interesting. I don't think I've heard of this brand before, but it does say our award-winning cooling gel quenches, firms, and soothes with aloe and hyaluronic acid while also brightening dark shadows. And the directions say to tap onto cleansed skin under and around the delicate eye area until absorbed. This is vegan and it has a 6-month shelf life. You and I both know this little tube will be gone in less than 6 months, but nonetheless. Okay, and then we're going to move right along to the next item. This is a nice shade. Okay, and this is the YC Collection Loose Setting Powder. And this is in the shade number 121. Our description card says, this lightweight and non-caking setting powder is made with mattifying minerals to keep your skin shine-free and your makeup fresh, bright, and in place, okay, for up to 12 hours, no matter the weather or humidity. Okay, okay. And it says This too is a deluxe sample size, but the manufacturer suggested retail price for a full size, which would be 4 ounces, is very reasonable at $12.99. Okay, let's take a look. This is, of course, what the packaging looks like. Oh, even the sample size comes with a sifter. Okay, we're just gonna, oh, guess what? It's got a safety seal on it too. How about that? Okay, love the shade. And let's see what it looks like. Okay, it absorbed very quickly. It's not caking. Okay, there we go. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, let's just seal that back over. Okay. And then we're gonna move on to the next item, which is, this is called the Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo. All right, and our description card says, we can't get enough of this ultra versatile rose gold and chestnut powder eyeshadow duo. Both the matte and shimmer shades are super pigmented, highly blendable, and made without any questions. Ingredients. Okay, I think this is a typo, but any questions, ingredients like paraben or talc. So I'm gathering it's supposed to say questionable. Okay, and this too is a deluxe sample, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for a full-size product, which would be 9 grams, is $10.99. Okay, and this one is actually 2.5 grams. Okay. Real Her. This is by the Real Her company. Oh, these are beautiful. It does come with a mirror. I'm not going to do that to you. I don't want to blind anybody, but as you see, there is a mirror. And these are what the shades look like. And let's just go ahead and swatch it. Oh, it's nice and creamy. This is what the 2 shades look like, and this would do a very nice no makeup look for me. Okay, very nice natural glam. That'd be nice. Okay, then the next item that we have is by Pixie by Petra. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I actually knew that I had this pencil, so I wanted to go and get one so we didn't have to open this one. But guess what? That one's sealed too. That defeated the purpose, but nonetheless, this is Pixie by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pen in Deep Plum. They are both Deep Plum. Well, I guess I'll be opening it. I'm not a fan of doing that though, but it is what it is. Okay, and that's a shame. Okay, as I stated to you, I knew that I had one, but mine was sealed as well. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. It's a beautiful shade, but let's continue on. All right, now It says, this is the Endless Silky Eye Pen in Deep Plum. And it says this hybrid eyeliner gives you the best of both worlds. The intensity of a liquid liner with the ease of a pencil. One swipe of the silky cream formula leaves behind a deep plum color that holds up to water, sweat, humidity, you name it. This is a full size and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $12. So let's just go ahead and swatch it. Okay. Wow, look at that. Okay. Okay, very nice, very, very nice. Okay, and then we have one last item. And the last item we have is by Twisted Sista. And this is the 30-second curl spray in coconut lemonade. All right, and it says, refresh and wake up your curls and coils with this multitasking spray. It adds tons of moisture and shine to your strands, and it helps define your curl pattern. It prevents frizz and flyaways, all in a few quick spritzes. Okay, this one is also a deluxe sample at 1 fluid ounce, but the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product in a full size, which is 8 ounces, is $8.99. Okay, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. So I must admit, love, love, love each of these items that came in this month's IPSY Glam Bag, okay? It's not a plus, it's just the Glam Bag, okay? And so they fit right nicely back inside of our envelope. All right, now that are included in this month's IPSY Glam Bag. Now, down below, we have the total manufacturer suggested retail price of the products should you decide to get the full size item. Okay, now I originally was going to do the new Glam Bag X in this video as well, but this would have been much too long. So we will follow that one up shortly. So I just wanted to say I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. Hopefully I shared something with you that you didn't know about before. Okay, now I just want to encourage you to stay tuned for the next video so that I can show you everything that came in the IPSY Glam Bag X. Okay, that's the first month for that one. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.